welcome to my channel. My name is Kati. As you can see, I have yet again an unboxing from Paperblanks, and this is what I received after giving them feedback from this notebook. I quickly tell you how this went. So I emailed Paperblanks on Monday afternoon after making my original unboxing and sent them 2 pictures of the pages that were glued together. I got an answer 2 days afterwards on Wednesday evening asking for more pictures. So they wanted to have a picture where you can see the label and from the outside the notebook. The next morning, Thursday morning, I took those pictures they wanted and sent them, and then almost immediately I got an answer, and soon after that I got an order confirmation for the new notebook. I didn't have to send them anything back, and I received then my package on Wednesday about almost a week later, and now I'm opening it. I think I maybe could have gotten an answer sooner from them because it took like over 2 days from them to answer, but maybe if I would have sent the email to the right address like the right address that was on my order notes that came with the package, but I didn't look for the email there. I just went to their website and searched there, because that's like how I usually do when I need to send someone an email. I go to the website and see what I can find there. So maybe if I would have checked my order, I would have found the right address immediately, because that address wasn't on their website. So maybe that was the reason for the 2-day delay. This was the only thing that was inside of that package, and let's open it the same way that I last time opened it, because I don't know how else I would do this, and I just want to do this on camera. Ooh, that noise! Oh, so that you will also see, because I don't want to give any like wrong. Oh, this is so... I don't know how I should open this. I don't know what are these things that they write here, because I think the other one said 22 and this says now 27, and I think that's weird that they write something there on the package. Let's see. So we are familiar with this already, and now I understand the bookmark maybe. So here is, you can glue it to your book. So here on the back page like this. Also then you can put it like your bookmark here in between the book, but I don't, or like here, but I don't, that doesn't seem to me to be a nice, because then when I write I would have the bookmark here, and I don't know, it's like a new concept, and I don't know if I would prefer it, because I'm not such a huge fan of bookmarks. But okay, or then you could like just, it was like this, so you could put it like there, here like this, but then it would come out of your book. So I don't, that's no. But it seems that we have a working notebook. Look, all the pages are nicely turning, so we have a winner here. So I don't know. Oh, look. Okay. Ah, look. So yes. So I'm not convinced of this quality. So as you saw, there was a small issue also there, but that was easily solved. But I'm just like, if I buy a notebook, I would like it to be, that's like, I assume that all pages turn and nothing is glued together, and so apparently there are some small issues in the quality, but I have to say I was happy that they like solved the issue. They just sent me a new notebook, so that was good. I'm very happy with the customer service at Paperblanks, and I have to say I have never had any issues with Paperblanks products like those notebooks. So they have always been, in my eyes, like premium quality. I haven't had any issues, and I have bought those pretty many over the years. Yet again, this is not so expensive, so this was €5.95, and then if I buy like an equal size notebook from Midori, which I have been buying now, those are €11, so it's almost double the price. Of course, Midori has better quality paper, yeah, but okay. I did some pen testing, which I want to show you. So here are all the pens that I tested, because I wanted to give you an overview of the paper quality. This is not something I usually do, but I just wanted to show you so that you get an idea of this paper. The Jetstream is okay, which probably nobody is surprised by that. The Pilot Friction is okay. The Muji Gel ink pen is okay. This Papermate I wouldn't use it. It's like, depends how, I wouldn't use it, no, I don't know. The Jelly Roll was okay. Any fountain pen I wouldn't use. It didn't feel good, and they bleed through. Then the tickling colors, that was funny. The metallic was the only one I would use here. The other ones bleed through strongly, so that's funny that the metallic, which is also very wet, but something difference in the ink, so it doesn't come through. Fountain pen, no. Any like highlighters I wouldn't use. They bleed through. And then I tested a few more of these Muji gel inks, which were the winner in my in this pen testing, because I wouldn't write with a Jetstream here and not with a Pilot Friction, because I have a certain use for those pens, and I wouldn't like to write with them in here. So if I start to use this notebook, I would use a Muji Gel ink pen. Or something I didn't test, that Pentel Energel. I didn't remember I had one of these, so let's test this too. I can't write like this. That goes maybe in the same category as the Papermate. So it goes, but I'm not so sure I would use it here. Maybe it's a bit too wet, because this paper is very thirsty. It feels like it sucks the ink inside. So that's and also when I wrote with these fountain pens, it was like the ink was on the paper. So maybe this is also too wet for this paper. So now I have tried the Paper O notebook, and I'm not going to buy these anymore. It's like, I like to use my fountain pens, I love them, and my highlighters and anything like that. So I need a notebook where I can use the pens that I love. I will find a use for this notebook, or if you're interested to try this out and are pretty close by, I could send you this, because I already have one. I'm happy that I tried, because now I know, because I have been looking at those previously, and I know now that if I need to buy something from Paperblanks, I will buy their notebooks, like their Paperblanks notebooks and planners, or I would buy Paperblanks washi. So those are a thumbs up. This is thumbs down from me. But I have to, as I said already, I'm very happy with the Paperblanks customer service. I have been sadly having to communicate with my many customer services, and Paperblanks did a good job. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. You can also follow me on Instagram at Kati Plants. You can find the link to my profile there down below, and thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. I see you soon. Bye bye.